हाय माय डियर तारे जमीन पर एंड ब्रिलियंट डायमंड्स। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं थर्ड प्रॉब्लम ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 13.2 एंड वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट मॉडल मंथली एक्सपेंडिचर एंड आल्सो मीन वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट and please tell me the formula of mode along with me. See here, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into height. So this is the formula which we are going to use to calculate mode. So let us first arrange this given data into as per our convenience, and then as we are going to calculate mode for the given problem, first step and most important step is we need to identify model class. So to identify model class, we need to see the frequencies given, and if you observe here, 40 is the highest frequency in the given table. So this 40 will help us to identify model class. So this 1500 to 2000, this class interval is the model class for our problem. Once you identify successfully the model class, now your duty is you have to identify the values of L, F1, F0 and H. Okay, see here, L is the lower boundary of model class, so that is 1500, and h is the height of the class. If you subtract 1500 from 2000, you will get 500. Not only 1500 from 2000, any class interval, also from any class interval you can calculate height of the class. Next, f1 is nothing but frequency of this model class, so that is 40, and then f0 is nothing but frequency of preceding model class, so that is 24, and f2 is the frequency of succeeding model class, means after model class you have 33, so this 33 is the value of f2. So these values now we are going to substitute in the formula so that we can calculate mode. Let us now substitute these values in the formula and simplify. So L value we have 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 by 2 F1, means 2 into 40 will give us 80 minus F0 24 and minus F2 33, close the bracket, and into height of the class, that is 500. So 1500 plus 40 minus 24, you will get 16, and 80 minus, you can write 24 and 33, when you add you will get 57, so minus 57 you need to write into 500. Then when you simplify further, 1500 plus 16 by 23, 80 minus 57 is equal to 23 into 500 you need to write, and then 1500 plus 16 into 5, 16 5 is 80, so 8000 by 23 you have to write, then 1500 plus 8000 by 23, when you divide you will get 347.826, and after addition you can write 1847.826. When you approximate it, you can write like this: 1847.83. This is the approximate value. Okay, therefore modal monthly expenditure of the families is equal to rupees 1847.83. Now let us calculate mean for the given data. Now to calculate mean, we need to find first of all class mark, and I think you already know that how to calculate class mark. Say along with me what we have to do to calculate class mark. See here, 1000 is the lower boundary, 1500 is the upper boundary. You need to add these two and divide with 2. So 1000 plus 1500 by 2, that is what you need to do. Now tell me what you will get. You will get 2500 by 2, and tell me what you will get. After division, you will get 1250. So this 1250 you need to write here in this first cell. Similarly, for all these class intervals, you need to calculate class marks. And when you find, you will get these are the class marks. Then, since these class marks are big, we cannot proceed with the direct method. So we want small numbers because we all are lazy to multiply all these values fi and xi. So what shall we do? Let us do di means xi minus a. Let us calculate. So for that we have to select one of the xi value as our assumed mean. So we are selecting 3250 as our assumed mean for this problem. So when you subtract 1250 minus 3250, you will get these are the answers. So 1750 minus 3250, you will get minus 1500. Like that, when you subtract 1250 means from these all values, if you subtract 3250, you will get DI values. And you are seeing here these DI values are also big. Again, we are lazy, so we need small numbers to multiply. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide these DI values with height of the class. What is the height of the class? Height of the class is 500. So we have to divide these di values with 500. So when you divide, you will get minus 4, minus 3, all the small numbers we got. So because of our laziness only, we are proceeding from direct to assumed mean method. Then again we proceeded to step deviation method because we want small numbers to multiply with f5. So now what we have to do, we need to multiply these fi values with ui values to calculate mean. So when you multiply, see here 24 into minus 4 minus 96, 40 into minus 3 minus 120. So when you multiply fi with ui, you will get these are the values after multiplication. When you add all these things, sigma fi ui, you will get minus 235. You have sigma fi and you have sigma fi ui, and these values we have to use in the formula. Now finally let us substitute these values a, sigma fi ui, sigma fi and h values in this formula. What is this step deviation method formula? So to calculate mean, we are going to substitute value of a, that is 3250, plus open the bracket sigma fi ui, you got minus 235 by 200 into 500. This is what you got. When you cancel these zeros, you will be left with 3250 plus minus 235 into 5 by 2. This is what you will be left over. Then 3250 plus into minus minus, and after simplification means after multiplication, you will get 1175 by 2. That is equals to 3250 minus 587.2, and after subtraction you will get 2662.5. So this is the mean monthly expenditure. How much? 2662.5 rupees. So finally we got modal monthly expenditure of the families. How much? 1847 rupees point 83 paise. And we also got monthly mean expenditure. How much? 2662.5. Hope you got good clarity on this problem, and writing this final climax is very much important, which will benefit you in terms of marks and concept building. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.